No, in investing, I would say that probably the silliest stuff that we've seen taught at major business schools probably has been, maybe it's because it's the area that we operate in, but it has been in the investment area. I mean, it is astounding to me how the schools have focused on sort of one fad after another in finance theory, and it's usually been very mathematically based. When it's become very popular, it's almost impossible to resist if you hope to make progress in faculty advancement. Going against the revealed wisdom of your elders can be very dangerous to your career path at major business schools. And really investing is not that complicated. I would have a couple of courses. I would have a course on how to value a business, and I would have a course on how to think about markets. And I think if people grasp the basic principles in those two courses, that they would be far better off than if they were exposed to a lot of things like modern portfolio theory or option pricing. I mean, who needs option pricing, to be in an investment business? And that, when people, when Ray Kroc started McDonald's, I mean, he was not thinking about the option value of what the McDonald's stock might be or something. He was thinking about whether people would buy hamburgers, and what would cause them to come in, and how to make those fries different than other people's, and that sort of thing. It's totally drifted away. The teaching of investments. I look at the books that are used sometimes, and there's really nothing in there about valuing businesses. And that's what investing is all about. If you buy businesses for less than they're worth, you're going to make money. And if you know the difference between the businesses that you can value and the ones that you can't value, which is key, you're going to make money. But they've tried to make it a lot more difficult, and of course that's what the high priests in any particular arena do. They have to convince the laity that the priests have to be listened to. Charlie?
Well, the folly creeps into the accounting too. A very long-term option on a big business you understand, the stock of a big business that you understand, or even a stock market index, should not be. The optimal way to price it is not by using Black-Scholes. And yet the accounting profession does that. They want some kind of a standardized solution that requires them not to think too hard. And they have one.